Hello and welcome to Fine Arts Tricks and Tips. Most people, when making a Eject tool, will bend their paper clip like this. But this has some drawbacks, because all of your pressure is being concentrated on one side rather than the center. I have an easy fix. Don't bend your paper clip all the way, just bend it in the center. Like that. Clip it so you don't have as much material. Straighten it a little bit. And that's it. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later.